In the profit breakdown section, you can adjust your cost of goods. You can tell Astro if it's a multi-pack. You can change your prep costs. You can see your total costs. You can switch it from FBA to FBM. You can see or override your buy box price. You can view your ROI, your margin, and your total profit. If you want a full breakdown on your profit, simply click on the profit button and you can see all the information you need. For example, this ASIN here, you see the sale price is $84.52. Your total costs in terms of cost of goods is $46.70. Referral fee, fulfillment fee, placement fees, and storage fees also can be shown here. You can make any adjustment you need in this section as well. For example, this one here has no buy box price. Let's take a look at the chart and see if there is a reasonable buy box price we can apply to this ASIN. For example, we see historically this ASIN is sold at $13.36. Let's apply that price to this ASIN. Now, even though there is no one in the buy box at the moment and there is no recent history on this ASIN, we can see that at this pricing, we can generate $1.48 in profit. And here is the breakdown of that profit.